everyone, we are at ITC in Asia 2019 at Expo Center, and under the BAZTechKnow knowledge session we will be taking you live for some technological equipments regarding fiber optics. Let's introduce Mr. Kwang. Hi Kwang.
Hi,
how are you?
how are you?
And Mr. Swai, how are you? So can you let us know about some fiber equipments?
Yeah.
First of all, let us show.
First one, this is patch cord.
It's a patch cord. It's
Yes,
an LC.
LC connector patch cord.
Okay, because it's the connector name is LC.
Yeah, LC.
Okay.
Yes.
Can you show us some other fiber?
This one is HDMI. cable.
Normally, HDMI is used for TV and LCDs.
Used for the 4K TV.
Yeah, 4K TV.
Yes.
So, how do you relate with fiber? Is it a fiber?
This is fiber.
Okay.
This is for electric.
Ah.
Electric in.
So
Optical fiber
it's a converter between fiber to optical to electrical.
electric to fiber. Yes, right.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
And this is cable.
Ah.
Yes. Your teacher will show the samples then.
Yeah. So these are the fiber cables, basically cut piece. It's normally used for laying cable under the ground.
Yeah.
And these are for normal use.
This is used for indoor.
Indoor purpose.
Yes.
And this is for outdoor.
Outdoor, yes.
So how many cores can have in a cable?
From one core to 144 and more.
144.
Yes. Different.
Oh, that's good.
Yeah.
So can you show us some other?
Okay. This one is pigtail.
Okay.
Pigtail.
But it has different connectors.
Yeah, pigtail.
Can you let us know what is the name of that connector?
SCAPC connectors.
SCAPC.
Yes. SCAPC.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
And this one is patch cord. Patch cord, and
It has different FC connector.
FC connectors. Yes.
So what is the difference between these connectors? Why do we use different connectors?
Because different flat and different connectors. This flat, this is APC flat, and this is PC flat.
Okay. And this is for FC. FC. Yo, we have one more friend. Yes.
This one is caster PLC splitter.
Okay.
Caster.
This is for splitting the fibers.
Yes.
Oh,
splitter,
very good, very good.
This one is mini type splitter.
Okay.
PLC splitter.
Okay.
Okay.
And do you have attenuators?
This one?
Yeah.
FBT splitter.
Oh, a splitter. And what is this? The blue one? Lancer.
First the connector. Connect the fiber.
Okay. Thank you. We are really thankful to you because it's been a very good demonstration of all the fibers,
Yeah.
and also the equipment is very good.
Yeah.
I would suggest everyone to buy from him.